Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build an inventory manager app. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then, you're going to come across this platform, Glide. Glide is a platform that lets you create custom apps without coding. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Glide. You can choose to sign up with your Google or your email address. Once you have completed the sign up process, you will be directed to your Glide account. Now, to build an inventory manager app in Glide, start by navigating to the left menu and clicking on the Templates option. This will take you to your template page where you can view your existing templates. To access the template store, click on the Template Store option, which will direct you to the templates library. In the templates library, templates are organized into different categories that you can browse from the left menu. You can also use the search bar to search for a specific template. In this case, we are looking for an inventory manager app template, so we will search for the keyword inventory in the search bar. Once the search results appear, you can choose any of the given templates that match your requirements. For this tutorial, let's click on the second template, which is Inventory Manager. Clicking on the template will take you to another page where you will see two options on the right side, Create this app and Preview. Click on the Create this app button to proceed. You will be taken to the editor where you can further customize the template. The top bar of the editor consists of three options, Data, Layout, and Action. In the Data section, you can customize the data of the app template. On the left side, you will see tables where you can customize data related to users, products, categories, and more. The Layout section allows you to customize the layout of the app template, including the navigation of the app from the left side and product settings from the right side. Here, you can also preview the app in both mobile and desktop mode. The Actions section enables you to add actions to create custom workflows by combining multiple steps. You can add a new action by clicking on the plus new action button or use the existing actions provided. Once you have customized the app to your satisfaction, click on the Publish button at the editor's top right corner to publish your app. After publishing the app, you will see a Share button at the top right corner of the editor. Clicking on it will give you multiple options to share your app, including QR code, link sharing, and inviting users via email. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments as best I can. Thanks for watching, and take care.